So I'm going to show you my custom bench and squat rack here. So I've got the hooks, the kind of J hooks up here for squat level, some down here for bench. I just put some felt on the top there. That way the barbell wouldn't tear up the wood or anything like that. For the support, I've got 3/4 inch black steel pipe. I think that's a 10-inch pipe, and then I've got a cap on each end with 2 pieces of wood right here. It's kind of holding everything together, but all this weight's going to be sitting on this pipe, and so far it's been very sturdy. So I basically did that 4 different spots. So far have not had any issues with it. On the back I've got 2 studs just to kind of cross brace that. I've kind of designed this to be foldable to save space. So what I've done for the legs here, I've got these little brackets right here, and this keeps this in line with this 4x4. So that way all the weight's being transferred through the 4x4 and then through this piece here, so it's kind of sitting on top of that for both sides. So how to fold these in: you just turn that knob, lift up on the leg and move it over, and then on the back here I've got this extra piece of wood right here, and what this does is it allows me to lift it up and rest it on this stud right here. And then what that does is it's able to take essentially all the pressure off of this hinge right here. So it's the same way for the other side. Over here I just threw, these are the pin locks for the bench over there. I just threw them on the side of the rack here. Alright, so now I'll show you how to hang it up on the wall. So there it is up on the wall. I just have a piece of a stud here screwed into the stud on the wall to hold that up. So far I haven't had any issues with it. You can see kind of a side profile. Does not take up much room at all. So I've been very happy with it. So far no issues with bench or the hang test with all the weight or anything like that. So yeah, just wanted to share that with you, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.